Hey everyone, Mike here for MyKeyReviews. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the official PlayStation DualSense controller in Nova Pink. This has dropped on the market alongside two new additional colours, Starlight Blue and Galactic Purple. This now brings the total amount of colours to choose from up to 6. That's if you're including the original white, the other two being Midnight Black and Cosmic Red. As for the price tag, this goes for around £65, and comparing that to the original colour, that's about a £9 difference. So at the time of this video, the original was going for about £56. So it is a little bit of a steep price bump just to get a different colour, but PlayStation/Sony, they know that people are going to pay to have additional colors, etc., and you know they can get away with it, so why not? And talking about customization, PlayStation are finally dropping their console covers within the next month or so, and they'll bring in out a console cover that will match each of the colors that they've brought out on the controllers. So that's quite good for those who, you know, wanted to wait for the official ones. You'll be getting that soon. Otherwise, I mean, personally, I think PlayStation have been very late to the market, as third-party console covers have been out very shortly after the PlayStation 5 was released. But nevertheless, they're finally coming out, and it'll be interesting to see what kind of customization options they'll be giving us in the future. So anyway, let's get on to the unboxing. And I must warn you, this probably isn't going to be the most exciting unboxing. It is a controller after all. I'm quite excited to see what the controller actually looks like in person. All right, that's the top removed. Okay. Slide this out. All right, that's that. And inside we have the Nova Pink DualSense controller, and flipping it, that is vivid. That is really cool. We'll get to that in a second. And obviously a little instruction manual just in case you've forgotten how to actually use one. There are no USB-C cables included, probably to try and cut down on cable waste, even though, you know, this little bit of plastic is quite unnecessary. All right, here we are. So this is the Nova Pink. You've got obviously the matte black finish on the front here, alongside with the thumbsticks, and you've got the triggers in black also, but everything else, including the touchpad, is pink, using the buttons there. So it looks really, really nice. Now, one thing I would love to see PlayStation do is create their own customization options of these little plastic coverings here. But in the meantime, you can get third-party covers, and they have so many colors on the market. So you basically kind of just take this bit off. You have to kind of stretch and get underneath there, and it just unclips. And then once you've done that, you can get a new color, and you just basically slide them on. So I think that would actually look quite cool, but that does look quite smart as well. And yeah, basically the same as you would get with the original white controller. You've still got the little attention to detail with the grip on the rear being little PlayStation symbols, which is really cool. If this is going to be your second controller, I would highly recommend, if you haven't already, to get the official PlayStation charging dock. It's extremely good and very handy to have, just always charging your controllers when they're not in use, and it will automatically stop charging. But other than that, I mean, there's not really much to say. It is basically a DualSense controller in Nova Pink. It looks very smart. I really like it. Gives you that just additional customization choice if you want to have something that's not a basic white. And to wrap up the video, I'm very curious to hear what all of you have to say on what your current favorite color is on the DualSense controllers, but also what kind of customizations and different colors you would like to see in the future, be it, you know, a specific color, a certain theme based around a game. There's a lot of things that they can do for both the controllers and the console covers. We'll just have to wait and see. Personally, I've always been a fan of very stealthy looking consoles, which is why when I had the opportunity, I got the black cover for the PS5. And when it comes to controllers, I've always liked very bright, vivid colours, which is why I went for Nova Pink. So quite a bit of a difference there, but that's just, you know, my preference. Yeah, let me know what your opinions are, you know, what you prefer, etc. But as Sony start to release all these newer colours and stuff, I would love to see them, like for the next Spider-Man game, or if there's another Last of Us, etc., Call of Duty, Battlefield, for them to release more themed console covers. I think they would do extremely well. But that's just my opinion. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Anyway guys, I know this hasn't been the most exciting video. It is just a controller after all, and it didn't really come with anything either. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video nevertheless. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one.